I can count how many times that I've seen you. I can count all the hours I've been with you. I can count all the I love yous that I told you. But there's one thing that I haven't tried to count.
Also have surprise delivery from it in a box. No idea what it is. It's coming from America, so let's see what it is. I say I don't know what it is, I've got a good idea. If I'm right, this is from Apple's Experts, and it's one of my gifts that I get from Fresh 2 Points. What could it be? It's a Neptune box. Look at that. Mine was not quite right. I knew that's what it was, to be honest, but yep, that was my first Doors Quiet Drive. I'll be doing a video on this getting set up in the next few days.
Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a little surprise unboxing, as you can see here. I have got myself a DOS Quiet Drive, so I'll do a quick unboxing of this, and then in a week or two we'll do a review and installation guide of it. Okay, hope you enjoy. First of all, go ahead. Well, this is a freebie, to be honest, because I'm on Ecotech Experts and I save up points, and yeah, so it's taken me a couple of months to save up the points for this, but why not? I already have 8 DOS as it is, and this is my first Quiet Drive, so looking forward to seeing how well this works compared to the other ones. Should be good. So let's see what we get in the box, shall we? All new design on box compared to old ones. There's a couple of the you get a couple of the old ones down there. So oh, it's not very well packed. So we get standard measuring vial. The dose itself, and one of the things has come off. Orange piping, which I won't be using, or clear piping. A link 1 cable. And a Neptune sticker. Super. Well, as you can, unfortunately, I'll show you. In transit. Oh, where's it gone? Wrong way. The box has got damaged. So, oops. So, unfortunately, in transport, one of the heads has come off as well. Looks like it's been rattling around inside, just don't think too much damage. The joys of only having one hand. So here we have it. I'll just pan you down so you can see it better. As you can see, one of the heads has come off. It's easy how that's as easy as the coat go on, come off the same way. You squeeze them, pull them apart, put them back on. So it does look very similar to the original ones. There's no real marks on it, which is nice. A few sticky fingerprints, but that's not that thingy. I do like the new colour, but unfortunately it doesn't match the other ones. The buttons feel a bit better as well. So yeah, there we have it. The first job will be, if you ever get one of these that rattles when you pick it up, or if you buy a second-hand one and it rattles, it's usually these that have fallen in. These are the parts that you pop out with a screwdriver so you can hang it. But yeah, if you're careful getting them out, it's not so bad. I'll get a knife on it later. So there we go. So you get that. This Neptune tubing is really good. I just don't use it because I usually put the connectors on so I can run it off of that RO tubing, which makes life a lot easier for me. So that's what I'll be doing with this one. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but my auto water changes has kicked off. That's what this one's going to be replacing, so I don't hear it anymore because it is rather noisy. They've changed the sticker on back now. You've got a QD and a code to go on it, serial number. Just have big stickers on back here and it had date on it and everything on. But they must have changed all that. But yeah, not bad as a freebie, but it is. We'll toss up between that and a power brick. So anyway, anyway, hope you enjoyed that quick video. As I say, I'll be doing an installation video on YouTube soon, and yeah, that's about it. Right. Like and subscribe. Tell your friends, share it if you can. If you don't like it, just tell me what's up, let me know. I'm quite happily take criticism as well as praise. So thanks again guys, catch you next time.